So, do you also wish to generate the YouTube Shorts description automatically using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So, hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to build an AI agent to auto-generate YouTube Shorts description. So, as a content creator, I regularly post shorts on my YouTube channel. And now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to add a new YouTube title in my Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate the description. And after generating the description, automatically that should be added in my Google Sheets again under that specific column. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Sheets with OpenAI and Google Sheets again using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to auto-generate unique, catchy and SEO-friendly descriptions for your YouTube Shorts using AI agents. This will save you time, boost visibility and help grow your channel faster. Alright, so as a content creator who regularly posts YouTube Shorts, I often struggle to come up with engaging and SEO-friendly descriptions for each video. So now writing them manually takes a lot of time and sometimes I end up repeating the same lines. So by building an AI agent to auto-generate YouTube Shorts description, I can save time and ensure every video has a unique, catchy and keyword-optimized description. So this helps improve visibility, attract more viewers and grow my channel faster, all without spending extra time on repetitive tasks. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the sheet that I've already created with the name YouTube Shorts description, and here you can see the fields that I've taken such as video title or concept, channel niche and the generated description. Alright, so now here my objective is as soon as I'm going to add the video title and the channel niche, automatically OpenAI should generate the description, and after that automatically the generated description should be added in my Google Sheet under this specific column. Alright, so here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Google Sheets with my OpenAI account and Google Sheets using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I've already built to understand the entire process more clearly. Alright, so for that I'm going to add a new detail over here, so let me add the details. And here you can see I have successfully added the detail over here such as the title and the concept. And here you can see as soon as I've added the details over here, automatically this generated description has been updated over here under this specific column. That means the description generated by OpenAI for this particular video title. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Google Sheets with your OpenAI account and Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as build an AI agent to auto generate YouTube Shorts descriptions. And now after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Sheets, as I am adding new YouTube short titles in my Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. So in my Google Sheets trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row, so that when I'm going to add a new detail in my Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow should get triggered. Alright, so now after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Google Sheets account, and here you can see the sheet that I've already created with the name YouTube Shorts Description. Alright, so now here I'm going to connect this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect in order to capture the response in Pabbly Connect. But here before moving forward with the connection, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add the detail over here, such as the video title and the channel niche first. Alright, so here I'm going to add the details. And here you can see we have successfully added I have successfully added the detail, and now here we are going to connect this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So here to build this connection, you need to install an add-on in your Google Sheets account first. So for that you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to select add-ons. Now here under this add-on you need to select get add-ons. And then here in this Google Workspace Marketplace, you have to search for an add-on, that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks over here. And then you need to install this add-on in your Google Sheets account in order to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here you can see it is already installed in my Google Sheets account. So moving back, and once you're going to install this add-on, you have to follow exactly the same steps. Alright, so now moving back, and now after installing this add-on, you need to refresh your Google Sheets, and that's a necessary step. Alright, so now after refreshing the Google Sheet, you need to click on this extension, and then you will be able to see an option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So from here you need to select initial setup. And here under initial setup, you can see it is asking me to enter the webhook URL. So here I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. And then it says the trigger column. So the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here in my Google Sheet, you can see my last data column in which I'm going to add the data is column B. So here for the trigger column, I'm going to add the column as column B, and then I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see it says setup configured successfully. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Google Sheets, and we have successfully connected our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now after building this connection, I'm going to test this connection by clicking on the send test button given over here. And here you can see it says test data sent successfully. That means we have successfully sent the test data, that means the first row data of our Google Sheet to this webhook URL, that means through our Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so now let's go and check it. But here before moving back to Pabbly Connect's workflow, you need to perform another very important step to completely connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So for that you need to click on this extensions, and then you need to click on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and from here you need to turn on this send on event. So by turning it on, automatically whenever you're going to add new detail in your Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. So now let's go and check it, and here you can see we have received a tick in front of the send on event. That means we have successfully turned it on. Alright, so now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the concept, that means the video title, trigger column, spreadsheet name, ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index, and the channel niche. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. Alright, so now after getting the details of our YouTube Shorts, automatically I want to use these details to generate the short descriptions using OpenAI. So for that I need to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So here in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that by using this particular model, model, OpenAI should generate the YouTube descriptions for these shorts. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it's asking me to enter the API token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. And here in the API keys, you can see some existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key, and here I'm going to give a name to my key, that is description. And then I'm going to select my project as default project, and then I'm going to create the secret key. So this is the API key generated. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward. And then here is asking me to select the AI model. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the models available. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my model as GPT-4. You can select the AI model as per your need. Alright, so then here it is asking me to enter the prompt. So in this prompt field, I need to enter the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate the relevant YouTube description for my video. Alright, so here I'm going to add a relevant prompt. And here you can see I've added a relevant prompt where I've added some instructions for the AI and the detail as video title and the channel niche. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever you're going to receive new details through Google Sheets, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the video title or concept, I'm going to map the video title, and here for the channel niche, I'm going to map the channel niche. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the YouTube short description generated by OpenAI for our YouTube video title. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after generating the description, I want to add that description in my Google Sheets under this specific column. So for that, I'm going to add another action step over here, and here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets again. And this time I'm going to select my action event as update a cell value. And now after selecting this action event, I want whenever I'm going to receive a new YouTube video description generated by OpenAI, then automatically that should be updated in my Google Sheet under this specific column. Alright, so now here to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. This time to build this connection, I'm going to select add new connection because here I've already connected my Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect in my trigger setup, and this time I'm going to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in an action setup. So that's why I'm going to select add a new connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then it is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So here I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name YouTube Shorts Description. So I'm going to select my spreadsheet as YouTube Shorts Description. And now here I'm going to select my sheet as sheet 1, and then it is asking me to enter the range. So it says enter the range of the sheet that needs to be updated. Here example C5, that is column name plus row index. So here you can see that my column is column C over here. So I'm going to enter the column name as C, and here for the row index, I'm going to map the row index from the response that I've received in my Google Sheets. So this is the row index, and then here it is asking me to enter the value. So in this value field, I need to enter the value that I want to update in my Google Sheet. So I'm going to map the YouTube video description generated by OpenAI. So this is the description generated. And now after entering all required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added the YouTube short description generated by OpenAI in our Google Sheets. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully updated YouTube short description generated by OpenAI over here under this specific column. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Google Sheets and our action as OpenAI and Google Sheets. So that whenever we're going to add a new YouTube short title in our Google Sheets, then automatically using the detail, OpenAI is going to generate the YouTube short description. And after generating the description, automatically that is going to be updated in our Google Sheets under that specific correct column. Alright, so these were the steps to how to build an AI agent to auto-generate YouTube Shorts descriptions. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.